Speech for morning assembly.
Good morning, everyone. It's a pleasure to talk to you on this new day full of possibilities. Every day brings chances for us to do something good, so let's be excited about what today can bring. As we gather here, let's think about our goals for the day and what we want to achieve. Starting the day with a positive attitude can make a big difference, so let's be happy and make the most of today. When we talk to others, let's be nice and show respect to everyone. Together, let's make our school a better place by being positive and making our friends happy. Challenges are hard, but let's be brave and try our best to overcome them. It's important to be thankful for what we have and say thank you to those who help us. With that, I wish you all a great day ahead.
Students, I hope you must have liked this video on the topic speech for morning assembly. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments section. Also, you can note down this article from our website. I have mentioned the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.